Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alan. So kindly, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the HTML just simply for beginners. So what you need to know from HTML before you start coding, you should have a folder. So here is our folder. I've created it and I've named it HTML. So I'll be coding using Visual Studio. So here's my Visual Studio. So what you need to do is just go here and then open a folder. So I've named the folder HTML, which is this one. So I'll select the folder. Then I right click here for me to create a file. So for every HTML file should have an extension with .html. So let me begin with index.html. So we have a shortcut to generate the first syntax for HTML, that is using the exclamation mark. Just use the exclamation mark and it will produce the syntax. So for you to change your title, you should get rid of this document and create a title, like let us say HTML for beginners. So after here, we now select. So HTML is just basically like writing a composition whereby you have the the heading, so the body, and then the titles and all of those things. So let us start by the heading. So for heading 1, we'll start with h1, meaning heading 1. Moving forward, we have heading 2 to mean heading 2. So this is usually used when you are writing a, let's say, a subtitle or a subheading. So h3 simply for heading 3, then we have h4, and this is for heading 4. We have h5, that is for heading 5, and finally h6 for heading 6. So we'll be running it using our Chrome. So let us run. We'll be using Chrome to run. So as you can see, there's the difference between heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So as this one usually stands for the main heading of that content which you are writing about. Then heading 2 stands for the maybe subheading, followed by heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So next we are after heading. Most of the time is the paragraph, now the content of that of our heading. So I'll get rid of this. So we have P stand for paragraph. So paragraph, yes, I'm right in the spellings. So let's write something like P, just to let's say hello world. Then before you run, you need to save this one. So I'll be using Control S to save. So as I refresh this one, as you can see, we have a paragraph here, then another paragraph here. So if you want to separate, if you have a lot of paragraphs and you want to separate, let's say you separate this hello world uh, from this line so that it can be our second paragraph. So yeah, we want to this hello world to be on another line. So what will you use? We'll use the br tag. That is, br simply means to break the line. So we'll use that one. So if you refresh it, then you come back to our code so as you can see, we have hello here, then world at the bottom of our hello. So guys, we move forward by now we have the style in css. So let's say style this heading 1. So style is equals to, so what we can do here, let's uh, let's let's change the color of our type of our heading. So color to be, let's say, red. Then we move it to the center. So text align, we use text align to move the content to the center. Text align. Sorry. Let's say center. So as we refresh it, so as you can see, the heading we have changed its color, and also we have moved it to the center. So guys, you can also change the font size and the font weight if you want to. Let's give it a font size of 35 pixel, and a font weight of 700, just to make it bold. So sorry for the spellings here. So yes, I'm right. As you can see now, the heading has become larger, and also the font weight has increased. So after here, we are going to deal with the angle tags. So for us to add a link to our website, so we need to use the angle tag, that is a. So this always creates a link. Just it's used to link one page. Let's say let's create another page. Let's call it about.html. So if you want to link this page with the about page, we'll use the angle tag, and here we'll write about.html. So let's write here about page. So if we save it, now as you can see, we have here our link to our about.html. So if we click here, so as you can see, we are at about page, which is blank. So let us write something on our about page so that you can see the difference. So as we go here, let's create the basic syntax using the exclamation mark. Then let's change the title, our title, to be about page. So here let's create our h1 tag. H1 is the heading 1. So let's say about us. So Ctrl S. So as I refresh, then I click on this link, to which links us to our about page. So as you can see, we have about about us. So guys, that's it for today. Let's meet next time, whereby I'll teach you the listing style and the tables. Guys, keep tuned. And what you should know about coding is very simple if you have a passion on it. And also, you should be consistent. Every day you should be coding like 2 hours to 3 hours a day. And also, you need to share what you know with others. Guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye.